Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also, put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Your choice of Jati Baba Ahmad. Why Jati Baba?
Well, like I've said before, that is something we have researched, consulted, and found him eminently qualified for this position, considering his background as one of the young, brightest Nigerians who have made a success of his choosing endeavors and can contribute greatly in our commitment to build a better Nigeria, to move Nigeria from consumption to production.
Okay. Currently, the President Muhammadu Buhari was a military officer before. He has said several things during his campaign, including making sure that he's going to end insecurity. You are not from a military background. How do you intend to tackle insecurity if you succeed?
Well, there's for me, I don't want us to look at yesterday and today. Those who think about yesterday and today will miss tomorrow. We're talking about tomorrow. And our commitment is to deal with insecurity decisively in two ways. One is to start pulling people out of poverty. The more you pull people out of poverty, the more you reduce criminality. And secondly, to man and provide adequate measures for our security agencies to effectively do their work. And we will make sure they do their work.
People are worried that some of your base supporters are engaging in a campaign that is not really right, especially on social media. There is a lot of insults and fights. What would you say about that?
Well, let me say that those people are not actually entirely my supporters. They're actually people being, some of them are actually people infiltration by opponents claiming to be my supporters or supporters of Labour Party. But let me assure you, I'm running this election as a Nigerian. I don't want people to vote for me because I'm from the Southeast. I don't want people to vote for me because I'm from Southwest, South-South, Northwest, Northeast, or North Central. I want them to vote for me because I'm a Nigerian who have the competence to mobilize the Nigerian people into turning around our country. I'm a committed Nigerian. I believe in Nigeria. That's why I said that what I want to do is to secure, unite, and build a productive Nigeria. And I know what to do. Now that I've been opportuned to have somebody with similar background, the team we are going to bring around will be team.
Hello, there's no problem, no fear. I no go harm you. And so I take waka. The security men, they won't stop me when the door before we go enter inside the court. I had to force my way inside. By the time I enter, I can't sit down. Everybody just come, they take photo, they surprise. How you go dress like this? wetin ginger me be say na the thing wey oyibo dey call secularity. Secularity mean say make state no dey involved in religion. So a situation now wey is our on top court come say make they allow the Muslim girls to dey wear hijab on top their uniform. No, e no correct, because if they wear that thing on top their cloth, it's no longer no be uniform again. Uniform mean say make all of them dress in the same way. The Supreme Court come talk say make dem no disturb these girls. So say if anybody disturb these girls, say na violation of their fundamental right. To say these girls have the right to exercise their fundamental rights in chapter 4 of the Constitution. Say section 38 when say that every Nigerian get the freedom to their conscience, their thought, and their religion. Say any attempt or group of attempt to stop these girls will be a violation of their fundamental right. So when you interpret this judgment, it means say make everybody now fit go to, because everybody now, not only Muslims, dey entitled to section 38. It's okay if they don gree now say okay make everybody dey wear wetin their religion talk come court. Me sef, I be local man now. I'm a traditionalist. I dey worship. I be Igbe man. So me sef say, oh thank God, since the Supreme Court don give this ruling, make me sef as a lawyer make I knack my traditional attire on top my lawyer cloth, come go that Supreme Court or come dey go court. So na so the thing take happen that day. After the Supreme Court, na God na remain. So when Supreme Court talk, na final. So as e dey today, that decision of the Supreme Court na dey follow. So nobody go fit stop me say make I no dress like this in my religious attire enter court. Well, those people wey dey hate me, I hate them back and I thank them for their support. And those wey feel say I do bad, when they go punish me, I dey wait. And me, I talk am here. I no put water for mouth talk am. Nobody go fit penalize me, nobody go fit punish me, because I no do anything wrong. I dey simply dey follow wetin the Supreme Court talk. How can somebody punish me for obeying the order of the Supreme Court? Yeah? After all, if even for our law profession, women don dey wear hijab go court now. So if you allow woman wear hijab enter court, address you, why are you asking me when I also dress in my spiritual attire? Why are you asking me to come? You dey try to stop me. That is discrimination now. You know work. Nobody go punish me, because I know before you go punish somebody, the person go down. There must be an offense or a law when that person don break. I no break any law. I no do any offense. So I no see who go punish me. E no possible. Wetin I believe say wetin go make my mind happy for this whole thing wey I dey do be say, if eventually this matter come do, because I go court definitely, I go file another case. If the case wey I go file, if e come waka from High Court to Court of Appeal to Supreme Court, if e come reach there, then Supreme Court, I believe say when e reach there, the Supreme Court now go fit reverse this decision by making sure say na my own case dem go follow. That is, my own case go say make people no dey dress with their religion cloth come public place, like public school, like the police, like in the army, like in the navy, immigration and all that. People should keep their religion for house. Anytime when they leave house, they leave their religion. Then when they come public, they behave in a neutral form, So that's how I believe say we fit achieve something here.